In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create shipping label on Shopify. Open your favorite browser, now search for shopify.com and enter. Go ahead, sign into the shop you want to create the shipping label. Once a customer places an order on your Shopify store, go to your admin dashboard and click on Orders. Choose the order that needs to be shipped. Make sure the order is marked as unfulfilled. If you're using Shopify's integrated shipping, the next step is to click Create Shipping Label. You'll be prompted to enter the package details like weight, dimensions, and type of packaging. Shopify will automatically pull in the customer's shipping address, but you can adjust the sender's address or other details if needed. Depending on your plan and region, you'll see real-time shipping rates from carriers like USPS, UPS, DHL, or Canada Post. Choose the one that suits your delivery speed and budget. Before purchasing the label, make sure your Shopify balance or payment method is set up correctly. Shopify will deduct the label cost from your balance or charge it to your card. Once you're happy with the details, click Buy Shipping Label. You'll instantly get access to a printable label in PDF format. Download and print it, then stick it securely on your package. After that, you can fulfill the order, which notifies the customer that the item is on the way and provides them with tracking info. Shopify also lets you schedule a pickup with some carriers or drop the package off at your nearest post office or shipping point. If you're shipping internationally, Shopify will help you generate customs forms as well based on the product and destination. Everything is built into the same flow, no extra tools needed. And if you're fulfilling multiple orders, Shopify also allows bulk label creation to save time. Just select multiple orders, click Create Labels, and complete the same process. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.